Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, she's on. Oh, yeah, she's on. Big fish. Yeah, big, yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What are we doing today?
Catching a
Joey's
on a KMART, $5.
We just bought KMART rods and bought some hook line, some sinkers, $10 rods, Jarvis Walker, and
Cheap fishing Canon.
we're just gonna fish in that water right there, catch some big brims. You gonna catch a lot today, bro?
Too easy. I'm gonna bag out.
Bag out.
Bag out.
All right, first pass. I was expecting to be a lot more aggressive, eh? Oh. Yeah. Oh, no way. My bait's just floating around. Oh, I see a brim lurking. One's coming from the right. And they don't see. Oh, give me that big one there. Spooking them,
I'm
eh?
scared when you stand here.
Yeah. Just sit down. I don't know, man. They don't want mine. No, you're not. I'll cast it out a bit further towards the left. Over Trook's line. Oh, Trook's on. Oh no, what the hell? What is that? Brim. Oh, that's a big brim. Oh, entangled with the other nut. Oh, bro,
I can't bring it up.
Holy crap! Oh wow.
No, you swallow it. Yeah.
Oh, swallowed the hook. That's a solid brim, man.
Too easy, bro.
Good job. Honestly, don't know if we're allowed to fish here, but we're just gonna fish till we get told off. Yeah. Oh, I ripped it out of his mouth. Oh. I think my reel freaked itself. Oh, yep. Yeah. Oh, drag's going off. Woohoo. Oh, yes. KMART rod's doing the damage. Oh, this is tiny brim, but
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna chuck that back. Wait till we get a big one.
Yeah.
Got the brim.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Bruh, the drag's screaming. Release footage. Beautiful. Alright, gonna get Dinah on her brim. Alright, you can cast as well. You don't need to go that far. Big brim right there. Oh, Dinah right in front of you. Oh, there's so many. Stay back. You want to be quiet. Sit down and cast. You want to stay hidden. Yeah. Perfect cast. Alright, now sit down. Stay ready. Wait for it to tug down. And then you just pull, okay? Oh, wait. Now, push it, pull it. Yeah, she's on. She's on. Oh, crap. Oh, she got a brim. She got a brim. Yeah, you want to hold the line up? Yeah. Like that? And I'll push you in. Nice. Yeah, nice brim. Perfect. Alright. Perfect. Now sit down. Hide away. Keep the line tension, so hold the rod up. You don't want it too slack, otherwise you'll miss the bite. So you can strike by pulling your rod up to set the hook, okay? Oh, yeah, pull. Yep. Big. Yeah, it's a big fish. It's a big one. Oh, it's pulling drag. Oh, big brim. Nice. Second brim. It's a legal brim. Dinah's on a roll. Damn. Not bad at all. Yeah, we'll just get big ones, eh? Oh, we'll chuck them back in. Goodbye. Nice, swimming away. Oh, yeah, she's on. Big fish. Oh, damn. I'll lift it up, yeah. How's the fight?
Oh, it wasn't too bad.
Wow, that's actually a bigger one. That's actually bigger.
Oh,
Big fish. Hold on, just hold on to this.
Take it, record my
Let me film, yeah. Oh, pulling drag. Nice. Oh.
Oh, he's bad.
Oh, I see you, Leah. I see big Bream. Oh. Oh, it's going crazy. I'll pull it up here. Get it close. Ah, there you go. Oh, that's a good Bream, eh? Double hook up.
2, 1. Wait, make it bigger.
Time to release some fish. Big Breams too. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, they're gone. Good job. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Oh. Woo.
Oh, you can't fish it.
I can't fish? Oh, jokes. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Oh, yeah, all good. Yeah, we'll move. So whereabouts here can you fish?
Well, not anywhere alongside the shopping centre.
Yeah.
So beyond the shopping centre, yes. Over the beach, yes, but not here.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
Thanks.
We'll just continue our picnic here, but we won't fish.
You can
Yeah.
stay here and have your picnic, but you just can't fish.
Yep, no worries. Yeah.
Alright, thanks, guys.
Oh, good. Thank you, man. Bro, this one's actually so big. Holy crap. Holy crap. Alright.
Not bad, bro. Not bad.
Good Bream session, but now we're not allowed to fish here, which is understandable. Right next to a shopping centre. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode.